Welcome back, you guys. I'm Magda. For those of you who constantly ask questions in my comment section, I'll be answering them right now. Throughout my fitness journey, I've heard a lot of stuff like, your body was like that before, you started working out, blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's clarify this. Magda is sharing health and fitness tips for everyone. I'm not telling you to do this so that you can look like me, because we all know that DNA is key to the way that your body is shaped. But if I can help you to live a healthier lifestyle by giving you tips, by uploading these videos to become a better version of yourself, this is why we are uploading this stuff for you. Magda, yes, I've been, for the most part, I've been genetically built with a bigger butt. I've been genetically built that way. But to be honest with you, exercising helped to accentuate my curves a lot more. If I were to show you, or I didn't take a lot of pictures when I was a lot younger, but I wish I did, to show you the difference of how my body is sculpted. And that's the key, that's the beauty about training and exercising. It helps to accentuate what you naturally have and bring it out, and bring out the beauty of your natural shape and body type. For those who are new to my channel, I welcome you. We have grown, our channel has grown so much, and I want you guys to continue to share and comment and keep us going, because the more you share, the more you comment, the more you like, it brings us up in the algorithm, and we're able to share our information, our health, our knowledge with more people that needs it. So that's why it's so important for you guys to keep liking, commenting, and sharing, so that we can get the message out there to everyone. I have a large catalog of at-home exercising and at the gym exercises, and I share them with you because I want you to see what I'm doing pre and postpartum. Now, everything that I'm doing is not like a quick fix. It's not trying to cut this, go on a water diet, cayenne juice, whatever. It's a mixture of everything, of exercising, nutrition, and making sure that I'm doing what I can to just keep my body moving and staying functional. So that's what I do. For those who ask about at-home workouts, go ahead and check out my video catalog. You'll see a whole bunch of that stuff. I'm gonna mix it up because I'm gonna show you the real, what I really do to maintain my structure. Another question I get all the time is like, where do you get your motivation? Magda, I'm not motivated to get up and exercise like how you are. The thing is, when it comes to motivation, sometimes it's not there. Sometimes I need help. That's why Ralph is here for me. He helps, to train me or whatever. But if he isn't there and the motivation isn't there, it's more so about building the habit of being consistent. At this point in my life, I understand what it does to me if I'm not training, or if I'm not eating a nutritional dense meal. My body, I feel it in my body. It's important to have a mind-body connection. Once I get out of my normal routine, I'm not the same Magda. I don't have enough energy, not only for myself, for Ralph, for Paige, and it's important for me to have that nice balance. It's all about habits, because a habit is going to be there when the motivation isn't. So it's just not about thinking about it. And it's also important to understand your why. Stop thinking about, oh my God, it's going to hurt, my body hurt, I'm tired, I can't. Just get up and say, you know what is my why? Every exercise don't have to be a tough exercise. Just getting up and walk. If you don't feel like doing it, just getting up and walk and start walking. Then you might feel like, okay, I have enough energy to run, or I have enough energy to throw something out there. But don't go into your exercise routine thinking that you have to kill yourself. Just go up, get up, do something, be active. That's the main part of it, is being active and moving around. When motivation isn't there, because it's not going to always be there, your habits are going to take over. We prioritize everything else other than ourselves sometimes. Your job is more important than yourself. So we get up, we like, oh my God, I'm running late for work. What you do? You go and you get something on the way to work, something that's not going to be nutritional dense. So now you're eating a whole bunch of meals that's not conducive to your lifestyle for you to be a better individual. Always remember your why. Habits are important. Keep those habits there when motivation isn't. Today, I'm out here on the track. I don't feel like running. I didn't bring running shoes, as you can see. So I'm going to show you what to do instead of running to bring your heart rate up. That's going to be conducive to overall fat loss, and also build your muscles at the same time. So when I'm on the track, I'll just walk, and after I walk, I'm fully warmed up. This is what I'm going to do, side shuffle.
I got the energy.
side shuffle, you're working out your lower extremity, your calves, your legs are involved, your glutes are involved, and when you're standing up like this, you're involving your lower extremity, of course your leg muscles. But when you come down lower and then you side shuffle, now you're incorporating your glutes, which is your bum. For some of you who aren't aware of the terminology, gluteus maximus, that's abbreviation. Gluteus maximus, your glutes. That's one thing that I like to do when I'm, instead of running, or I'll just run backwards, right? Lightly, I'll run backwards, and then I'll incorporate the shuffles. And then I'll run backwards again. Simple techniques to keep my mind from being bored while I'm out here training. Lunges is another thing. I'll lunge around the track. So instead of running, lunging is a great workout because you're working on balance, you're working on your lower body, you're working on your glutes. People don't understand how the glutes are so important. It's not just aesthetically beautiful because it helps to also protect your hips, it helps with your walking, right? It's important for us to not only focus on the aesthetic parts of exercising, but to understand why we're doing this. What is the benefit? Abdominal muscles, some women say, oh, I don't like the abdominal muscles. But the reality of the situation is they're there for a reason. I cannot tell you after giving birth to Paige, some people aesthetically you're not going to see the abdominal muscles, but everybody have them. After giving birth to Paige, I kid you not, I was able to recover a lot faster. And everybody in the hospital was just so amazed at how I was able to just get up instantly right after surgery, and that was due to the fact of training and exercising prior, during, and after, pregnancy. All of that counts. So just keep that in mind. Now, it's not just about the physical appearance. You got to understand why you're doing these things. So let's get into lunges. I'll lunge forward, of course. Knees doesn't go over the toes while I'm doing this, and then I'll lunge back. This helps to strengthen out any imbalances that you may have. If one side is stronger than the other, lunges. If you don't have a gym or if you don't have a gym membership, lunges helps to work on those imbalances as well. The bottom half of your body when performing lunges or any type of lower body activity, it has a lot of muscles. You're burning a lot of calories when you're using your lower half, your lower extremity. Alright, so that was just a quick video that I wanted to share with you guys, or answer the most frequent comments that I often get in the section. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe and share. And any questions that you have, go ahead and comment section. I'll see you guys next time.
And your spirit seems to brighten up my life.